Weekend update for December 4th and 5th. The markets will open on December 6th, and they might start buying up a little bit, but I think they're going to keep going down for a little while. However, I think also that there's going to be a ferocious Santa Claus rally this year. At some point, wherever the markets find support, there's going to be a real big opportunity for the next 4 to 6 weeks from the time it starts going up. That is U.S. stocks. But I don't think that's this week, and that's the key point. If you look at what's going on in the markets, you see that if we look up here at this chart, what we see is 3 charts going down and 1 chart going up. Stocks are going down. Gold is going down. The price of oil is going down. So that is stocks and commodities are both going down. But what is going up is bond prices, not interest rates, which are, the opposite. They're going down, but bond prices are going up. Now, this is counterintuitive because if the Fed is going to stop buying bonds and other securities, then why are bond prices going up? The answer is that bonds allow predictable income, and stocks and commodities do not. If, in fact, we were going to see continuing inflation, then we should see commodities going up. We're not seeing that. We're seeing commodities go down. We're also seeing stocks go down. So really what's going on here is people are worried that the market is going to become less effective at delivering returns. And so they're looking for something that has a bit of a predictable return. They're not buying utility stocks, though, which tells me that it's not a full market panic. It's more like just a rotation, meaning that stuff's going to dip down for a while, who knows, a week or two, but then at some point, once support is found, it will probably rise back up very strongly. That's my expectation. So what will that mean for other instruments, like, for instance, the Aussie yen? Well, the Aussie yen is likely to do something similar, find some support. It's interesting how close the yen is to support right now, but I'm expecting that it will break through that support before it turns around and comes back up. I think also, if you're looking at the U.S. dollar, you've got the same kind of thing going on, right? Because people are expecting Australian dollar to weaken compared to the U.S. dollar and compared to the yen, which means that we're probably going to be seeing some decreased interest rates in the Australian dollar. And then we've got the Euro USD, and this has been trending down for a while. And I don't see this huge reversal right here, right? What all of these things talking about going down and commodities going down, that's the U.S. dollar going up. So here's a potential possibility, I think, for the euro for people to get ready to short the euro, because I think it might take a week, but it will probably resume its downward trend. That'd be my guess. And those will be driven. Now, there might be other factors which will drive it up, but those are driving those currency prices down. I mean, those currency prices are getting driven down because stocks are getting driven down because people are expecting the Fed to do things that are going to they're going to stop propping up the market. They're going to taper their bond buying activities. It's a bit counterintuitive, though. Why are people buying bonds, right? Again, it's because they want predictability, and the markets may become unpredictable. That is really being seen easily with the VIX right now. If you look at what the VIX did, see how it's got up above, it got to 28, came back down. Now it's back up and closed above 30 on a Friday. It was way up there at 35, but it came back down, still held above 30. So I think that we have not seen the high of the VIX. There's more to come there. And that's it for the week of upcoming 12/6, December 6. If you want to check out what stock to trade, 30 minutes after the market, just as the market opens, for the first 30 minutes of the markets, We will be ready at that time at the opening of the U.S. markets on Monday. See you then.